Fencing Pudsey. Are you ready to transform your property's look and feel? Our expert team specializes in crafting fencing solutions that are not only tailored to your unique needs and provide security for your family or business, but also enhance the aesthetics of your property. Whether it's for your commercial space or your cherished home, we've got you covered. Our skilled professionals ensure a seamless installation process. Explore our diverse range of fencing options. From the rustic allure of timber, the beauty of wrought iron, to the durability and low maintenance of composite fencing. From the timeless classics to modern marvels, we cater to every taste and requirement. For more information on our local fencing services, contact us today on 07480485539.